Hey, welcome back to the channel, Glamplanders. We have got a great video for you today. On this video, we get to do something a little different. We actually get to give back and help someone, and I'm really excited about that. So it's kind of going to be a two-part video. This first part, we are going to unbox and put together the OPENROAD adjustable bed rack, and then he doesn't know it yet, but a friend of mine is going to be the recipient of this bed rack. He's a really great guy. He's a master electrician. He is always out there helping people and helping the community. So I contacted the friend of the channel and sponsor of today's video, OPENROAD 4-wheel drive, and they said we'd be glad to help you out and get this bed rack for him. So we're gonna head in the garage. We're gonna do the unboxing. We get that done today. And then tomorrow it'll be in the same video, but he's gonna come over. He thinks he's helping me finish wiring out our generator for the house, but we're gonna have this surprise for him. So let's get in the garage and get it unboxed. We are back here in the garage. We have the OPENROAD 4-wheel drive adjustable rack here in the box. We're gonna get this opened up, come back and talk about what is in the box so you'll know how you can get it mounted to your truck, and then we're gonna get it put together. Stay tuned. All right, for the most part, this unboxing is just going to be from box to outside, but I did want to take a moment just to show you that OPENROAD does a really good job in taking care of everything in shipment. So there's lots of foam in between it. All the metal is individually wrapped and put in the foam pieces, so there was no banging or beating around. So with the magic of editing, when we come back, it's all going to be laid out. All right, we're back. We got everything unboxed out here on the table. Should be a really simple install. I did take a gander at the instructions. If I had my friend's vehicle here, you would start building on that. So we're just going to kind of put it together loosely, get it so that way when I have his truck tomorrow, we can just kind of set it up there and put down the mounts on the side. But really high quality stuff. This is like one of the pillars that'll be on the side. Just the way the welds are look really good. It's got a great black finish on it for the sides. And then for the crossbars up top, just some really nice looking like extruded aluminum to put up there and give you some adjustability in those points. So I don't know how much of this we're actually going to record since I got to put it together a little strangely since I don't have a truck to have it mounted on, but I'll get as much as I can, and if not, I'll kind of go over it once we get it installed on the truck. So let's see how it goes. Okay, well, I am taking these a little bit out of order for the instructions. First tip I do want to give you, maybe one of the most important tips. So when you adjust these and you find out how high they need to go, they have something that actually makes it really easy. They have numbers, like a measuring tape basically inside there. So when you do that, you just need to loosen up all of these screws. The instructions kind of seem like it says to take them out, but if you actually loosen these and don't take them out, it's going to be easier. If you do take them out, there's like a metal plate in the back that is holding that comes off. So it's kind of like the way that you would have tabs that would go into extruded aluminum. So they're not actually in the bar itself. There's a metal bar. So if you were to take both screws all the way out, that is going to slide out, and then you're probably going to have to take this out to get those reseated. So tip number one as you go through this install, just loosen these up and then you'll be able to move them. So we're going to keep on. One more note is when you're looking for your bags for the screws for these, make sure that you pick up the bag that has the, according to the instructions, that has the metal piece that has the 2 holes. I originally, because I knew that it was T-Track, picked up the bag that only had 1. So again, small things, you'd figure it out as you go, but if I can help you out a little bit, might save you some time. Tip number 3, the bag. And OPENROAD, if you watch this, maybe something we could improve on. So the bag that actually has the screws and bolt that you're going to need for the end of the crossbars is in a separate bag than the bracket with the 2 holes. So just watch out for that. A little confusing, but again, no biggie. You can get through it. Not sure what tip number I'm on. It's getting kind of late. But a couple things with the crossbars. So when you put in the metal tab that's in the slot, you're going to want to make sure that is sliding, that you do not put it in this bolt hole, which is what I did, which is incredibly not going to help you when you have to mount it to the columns. So in case you don't pay attention to instructions or read ahead like I didn't do, make sure that you get that where it's loose. The other thing I would recommend is to put the black grommet slider thing in there, and then make sure that you have the top of the bolt here so that you get a flat surface, and then make sure that your nut is on the underside with the bars. That is going to give you a cleaner look when it's on top of your vehicle, and then that won't get in the way if you're putting stuff up on top. So hope that makes sense. I'll throw a couple extra shots in there just so you can see what I'm talking about. So the rack is completed. It's a little probably more difficult to do if you don't follow the instructions and you're building it up on the truck, but it's a surprise from my friend. So it is done, it is ready. When we pick up this video, it'll be tomorrow, and he thinks he's coming to wire up a generator for me, but we're gonna surprise him with this bed rack. Stay tuned. Hey everybody, we are back for part 2 of the video. This is my friend Carlton. Carlton thinks he's here to help with the generator. He's helping me wire up. You know, I told you guys in part 1, he is a master electrician. People bother him all the time, so he knows that we're going to do this. He's probably like, people are like, why? Well, isn't it weird you got to have a camera out? But he knows I have a YouTube channel, so told him we were going to do the video for the YouTube channel, which we're still going to do. So if you haven't, make sure you subscribe, because we're going to have that Harbor Freight Predator whole house generator coming up. But Carlton, for now, I got a surprise for you. I know you just got your Chevy truck here, and I reached out to a friend of the channel, OPENROAD. And I said, you know, you do a lot for folks because of what you do for a living. People are always asking you, hey, can you come do this, come do that? And you always do that, doing things for the church. So we're not here for a generator. We are actually here. OPENROAD has given you a bed rack for your new truck. So I put that together last night. That's kind of part 1 of the video. So we'll take this. Probably go off video for a little bit. We're gonna get it all fitted up, get it finished installed for the truck, and then we'll come back at the end. So what do you think?
That's nice, man.
Awesome. All right, we'll see you guys in a minute. All right, Carlton, so we want to do another special thanks again to OPENROAD for providing this bed rack. If I had actually just waited on you instead of trying to put it together, probably wouldn't have to do all the steps twice, but it was it's real easy, really sturdy. You happy with it?
Yeah, thanks. Appreciate OPENROAD.
Awesome.
Hey, if you need anything, give them a call.
Thanks, guys. Glamp Landing. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.